beautiful 2-bedroom 2-bath sits on half-acre. Living room has wood-burning stove with blower. Kitchen has lots of wood cabinets. Dining room has view of backyard. Master bedroom has big walk-in closet. Master bath has shower tub combo. Second bedroom has bath and walk-in closet. Utility room is large with sitting room and large pantry. Back porch is glassed in and looks out over big backyard. Backyard has large trees. 3 storage sheds, 1 with concrete floor. This would make a great starter home or place to retire. To schedule a showing, give me a call at 903-539-9655. Thanks for looking and have a great day.